Hello guys, welcome to my channel Data Analyst Tech. In this video, you can able to learn from which how to create a financial analyst dashboard using MS Excel. Now you can able to know the skills you have to learning from the Power BI. We also create from the Power BI and have to create a lot of charts, right? But you wanted to go from any kind of data analyst field or data science and machine learning. When you wanted to know the some basics about the to how to create a using MS Excel to create a report, right? Now is a basic method, right? Then he doesn't know anything about to how to create a financial analyst dashboard using MS Excel. But how can when you wanted to go for any kind of interview, but it's too difficult to crack the interview, guys, right? Now in this video, you can able to learn from this how to create a step by step, how to create step by step to create a financial analyst dashboard using MS Excel, right? Now you can see the what is the different charts you can able to observe from here. Now I need to find in the financial data what there is a number of countries related how much getting the revenue I need to find out, right? Yes, and one more you can able to what is the total revenue by year by product wise also can able to learn and can able to see. And what is one more is the pie using the pie chart I need to find out what is the total revenue by gender wise. And you can see the top 5 customers by revenue. There is how the lot of customers you're getting from your lot of customers are becoming. I need to find out the what is exactly in the top 5 customers, right? And one more is what is age wise gender by product wise. There is a lot of product. I need to find out what each age getting the more gender in the product is getting the more sales, right? Yeah, right. And you can see the one more different slices also can able to see, right? Now we can able to see the end to end, guys. We need to observe how to create a dashboard and also why are using the types of charts also can able to observe. Then you also create a step by step these types of dashboard, and also you can post the LinkedIn also. When you wanted to get a job opportunity, you can see the your work and somebody has experience candidate, this is offering the jobs also, guys. Lot of people is getting from the like that only, guys. Okay, yes, let's go from the guys. Yeah, now this is, yeah, now it is called data set. Now you can see the what is the columns and the what is the rows are you can able to observe from here, right? Now you can region, country, sales, and first name and last name, and gender, age, and rank. So rank level, this is a rank, and this is a product and year, order, month, and revenue also can able to see, right? But I want to require from the full name, right? You can see that they has observed from the year, as you can able to see the first name and last name. But I want to require from the both will be common, right? Now you can write from the full name, you can use the full name. Yeah, yes. Now we can use the some function is a concatenate function. You can able to use it. Yes, yes, yeah. Now you can able to see the concatenate. Yeah. Now we can able to combine the two columns. Yes. One second. Yeah. Where is the first name? Yes, comma, and one more is last name. Yes, and you can use the close the bracket and enter. Now when you wanted to observe from here, you can able to see first name in the last name. You can able to one column here is the right. Yeah, now have to create a one more can sheet. In the sheet you can give that create a dashboard, right? Have to create from the dashboard. Yes, yeah, in this you need to disable lines, and you can apply from the color from here, right? Yes, can apply from the color from, yeah, enough. And you can apply from the how to see there are a lot of colors are available from here. You can apply from this color, or else can able to see, guys, there is a lot of colors is there, right? Yeah, you can see there is a lot of colors is available from here. Yeah, it is enough. Or else then you need to create a one title, right? The title is very important because of when you wanted to create any kind of dashboard, we need is the must be title, right? Yes, how to create the title? Now you can write the finance analyst dashboard, right? Yeah, dashboard. Then you can able to some increase in the sizes, can, yeah, is the middle of, and can give the some font size 25. Yeah, one second, you can, yeah, and select it, and you can give the font size was 25. One second. Yeah, now when we can apply the home color also background, and we can apply from the color in the back. Yes, and you can give the text color also is a white color. You can able to give it. Now is the title is successfully completed, guys. Now we can able to create a one different charts, right? Yeah, and also small request, guys. If you really like this, like, subscribe my data analytics. If you want subscribe, get the motivation myself. Definitely I will give the best content of you guys related to job updates or anything. I will give the best update for you guys. And also we have good opportunity for we are conducting the mock interviews, IT and non-IT. If you are interested from the mock interviews, please send your details in the description of my email ID. My team will be contact you guys when you wanted to participate in the mock interviews, when you can able to get some experience related from the mock interviews. What is the real time experience you can able to get it, and also we can able to get it from and we providing from the some interview question job updates also we are providing for you. And lot of companies are working my friends, definitely want to any openings, definitely want to refer you guys. Definitely this is my promise, definitely is the refer you. And also guys, when you wanted to participating any kind of mock interviews, when you get the experience and also when you directly go from the interview, you can get the some sign, right? You can get the some tension also, right? When you can attend the mock interviews, when you can get the conference, definitely wanted to crack the interview also, guys, right? Yes, most you want to require the experience, then you can definitely want to crack the interview. And never give up your goal also, guys. Okay, let's go. Right, yeah, and this is a data set. Go with the insert and go with the pivot table. Yes, and please okay, you can select only new only, right? I need the what is the total revenue by country wise, right? What is the country and what is the total revenue, right? Yes, here, yeah. Now when now you can able to see, then you can able to select the everything and go with the insert. As you can see, the lot of charts are available from here, right? Yes, now select from here. Yeah, now is I can give the some total revenue by country wise. Yeah, yes. And also if you are require any, if you require a data labels also can give it, or else see, yeah, is the data labels, or else go with consider some. Yeah, okay, other than required from the data labels, or if you are okay, yes, and copy the chart and go with the dashboard and paste it from here. Okay, yes, when you wanted to create any kind of dashboard, guys, we need to understand why are using this chart, right? Then you can able to understand why are using this chart only and why are not able using different charts, right? Yes, okay, yeah, 1 second. Yes, some decrease in the sizes. Yeah, keep it here and go with the data set. Again, I wanted to create a one more chart. I need to find out what is the total revenue by gender wise, right? And go with the data set and go with the insert. Again, one more PO table. Yes, we want to select only the new worksheet and select. Yeah, is the gender wise what is the revenue wanted to getting. Yes, when guys you wanted to go in the financial related, or else you are go from any kind of shop also, somebody getting from the girls or somebody getting in the boys, males or females, and some how much getting the revenue, right, is the main point. How much getting the more getting the revenue in the males or females, right? Then you can go with the insert button and you can create a pie chart. It is okay, I thought. Yeah, in the pie chart I want to create a first of all title. Yes, my title was total revenue by gender wise, right? And then I want to require from the data labels also. In the data label I want to require from the is a percentage, right? Yeah, when you wanted to click from double click, we can apply from the air, can disable the value, enable the percentage, right? Same here also, and can go with the yes, and disable the value, enable the percentage, right? Yes, some decrease in the sizes. Yeah, copy that from here and go with the dashboard and paste it from here, right? Yes, 1 second. Yes, paste from here, some decrease in the sizes. Yeah, Now you can able to see, guys. Yeah, everything is okay. Now you can give it a one more chart. I need to find out the what is the top 5 customer bit revenue wise. Again, you want to go from the data set and you can go with insert and import the pivot table. Yes. Yeah. Now then I want to require to create a one new column is a full names is the names. I want to require in the revenue also. In the revenue, I need to find the top 5 customers, right? When you can right click, when you can go from the right click, you can see there's some option from is, yeah, 1 second. Yeah, filter. In the filter option, you can go with the top 10. Yes, in the top 10, you can give the 5, right? Yeah, and enter. Yes, you can able to see, guys. Again, you go with insert. Yeah, and you can select the pie chart. Yeah, now you can give the title is the top 5 customers by total revenue. Total revenue, right? Again, you want to require from the data labels. In, yeah, I want require from the data labels in the percentage wise, right? Yeah, and disable the value. 1 second, 1 second, guys. Yeah, and go it and data labels, use the value, enable the percentage, right? Same here also, disable the value, enable the percentage. Yeah, yes, disable the value and enable the percentage. Same here also. Yeah, and disable the value and enable the percentage. Yes. Yeah, now copy the chart and go with the dashboard in your report and paste it from here, right? And from remove it first of all. Yes, keep it there. Yes. Now some decrease in the sizes. Yeah, keep it there. Yeah. Well, guys, 3 charts are successfully completed. Is the total revenue by country wise, and what is the total revenue by gender wise, and top 5 customers by total revenue also can able to see, right? Yeah. And let's go on the one more chart. I need to now we can create a one more chart. I need to find out the what is the total revenue by year by product wise, right? And go to insert. As you can able to see, you can use a pivot table. Yes, create a new pivot table. Then I want to require which total what total revenue and which product. Yes, and which year also, right? In the year column can give the value. Yes, now you can create a one more chart is the line and custard column chart, right? And go to the insert. Yeah, recommended charts and go to the combo. Yes, in the value of, yes. Yeah, now press OK. Yeah, now and keep it down from here. 1 second. Yeah, now keep it down. Yes, 1 second, guys. Yeah, and the codon can give us some 1 second. Wow. Yes, increase in the sizes. Yeah, and then I want to require the title also. Yeah, I want to require title, enable the title. Yes, yeah, here. Now my title is, yeah, my title is what is the total revenue by year by product, right? Yeah, and can some can remove yes, go with axis. Yeah, 1 second, and can go the disable lines. Yeah, and then can some decrease in the increase in the sizes or else. Yeah, 1 second, guys. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, guys, keep it up. Now it's okay. Yeah, yes, now it's okay, guys, right? And copy the chart and go with the dashboard and go with from paste it from here, right? Yes, paste it here and some decrease in the sizes first of all. Yeah, some decrease in the sizes and keep it here. Yeah, Yeah, guys, four chart successfully complete, guys. I need to one more chart. I need to find out the what is the age wise, gender wise, product wise, right? Yeah, and go with the data set and go with the insert and create a one new pivot chart. Yeah, now I want to require from the each product in the product. One second. Yeah, where is it? Yeah, which product? I want to require which age, gender wise, right? Yeah. Again, you want to create a one chart. Go with the insert. Want to go with there? Yes. Now it's okay. Please and okay. And then you want to require any data label. Yeah, I want to require from the title. Yeah, remove it and age by gender by product. Yes. Right. One second. Yeah, product, and can remove the lines first of all. Yes, remove the lines. Then if you want to require from the data labels, yeah, you can give the data labels, copy the chart and go with the dashboard and paste it from here. Yes, paste it from here. Some decrease in sizes. Yeah, keep it there. Yeah, some decrease in the sizes. Yeah. Now charts are successfully completed, guys. Now we wanted to create from different slices, right? Yeah, and go with the data set and go with the insert and create one more new pivot chart. Yeah, yes. Now in this I want to require the slices and country and which product I want to require which product and rank level also. Yes, please okay. Yeah, and one by one copy and go with the dashboard and paste it from here. Paste it and keep it there. Some decrease in the sizes. Yeah, and go with one more and copy the rank level and go with the data dashboard and paste it from here. Yes, yeah, and one more is yes country and go with the dashboard and paste it, right? Yeah, one second. Yeah, yes, now some decrease in the sizes. Yeah, now keep it there. Yeah. Yes, now successfully complete the my financial analyst dashboard guide using MS Excel. Now we want to you also create a one different dashboard, guys. You also get some skill. I wanted to practice regularly. Definitely wanted to get a job also, guys. If you really like this, like, subscribe my data analyst check. If you want subscribe, get a motivation myself, and also I'll give the description my Instagram and Telegram ID. Please follow. I'm regularly posting on the interview question job updates also. Please follow, guys. And if you really like this, like, subscribe my data analyst check. Bye bye.